In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of, everyday earbuds from the company Raycon. Also, with my package, I got a protective sound or a protective case. It's like a little rubberized case on it. I will show you that case on here. But let's just look over the actual earbuds themselves. So let me just kind of like go over the box before I pull them out here. They've got active noise cancellation. They IP66 water resistant. They have an awareness mode on there. Which awareness mode, I'll tell you what that is. That's basically so you can hear more of the ambient noise around you instead of just locking you in. And the color I got are the blue azul, but I think they come in a wide variety of colors. Let me just show you everything that come in the box here. You get these. There's the headphones themselves. And then underneath here, you get a little sticker. And inside of here is the charge cable, BC charge cable. You can see that right there. A series of extra earpieces. Look how they did them. They did them like eggs, everybody. And these earpieces can go different sizes. I think you get a small and a large, and you can rotate those out and change them. Nice that they include those, because a lot of times I'll end up losing them. Some warranty stuff, and then some functions. And let me go over the functions of these things. So when you take them out, you're going to have the pairing mode, which was very easy. As soon as you pull them out, they start looking to pair. Just turn it on, and then turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android or whatever, and then they'll pair right up. Mine paired up in a matter of seconds. You can change the little adjustments to get the best fit. And here's the exact way these things go in. They go in and they twist around. So let me go over some of the kind of controls of these things. So everything's done with either a tap or a hold like that. On the left side, you got, I think that's volume down is one tap. And this is and they're actually labeled left and right there. And then you could triple tap and it's back on your, say, whatever music you're going. And then on the right side, one touch is up, triple is skip forward. And then on the right side, you have that active cancellation on and off, the awareness mode, pure sound, bass sound, balance. You can alter that all around right there. So there's actually a lot of cool features to these things. So this case is going to go in here just like this. You can see it has Raycon on it, drops in like that. And you're going to peel this little piece. I won't peel it off right now, but you're going to peel that little piece off, and that goes on there just like that. Now, there is a cutout for the back, so it goes on there a lot cleaner. So those are charging right there. When I pull them out, I do like the fact that they have left on the left and right on the right. These are very good quality headphones. I have a lot of different types of earbuds out there, and these have been one of my favorite earbuds of all time. I use them while I'm running. I went for a run the other day, and just out running in general, they stay in the ear nicely no matter how much I move my head around. These things do not fall out when I go on a bike ride. I love the fact that I can use that awareness mode and just kind of be able to hear more of the ambient noise around me. I highly recommend these things. And they look very premium with a high quality. With this case on here, they just look like a very high quality look to them. And then when you need to charge them, you just basically plug them in right here. They start charging immediately. And then it's also charging these. And you can see them blinking there. They're charging. So once you put them in the case, you can charge them up because the case does charge them. And then once you take them in and out, they will link up. And then they drop back in, and they have a magnetic drop on them. What's that? See how they drop in there? See how they will not come out even when the case is open? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Raycon earbuds with case. See you all in the next video.